Telling you. I think by having the phone on this side, you miss the full coloration of my food, guys. The pepper, the chili flakes, the soy sauce. I put a little bit of Dijon mustard in there, some thyme, dry thyme. Guys, I put a little bit of paste in there. The bean paste, of course. So all of that flavors commingled in there is like poof. It's really, really good. I'm loving the outcome of it, and I'm loving the way it looks. And yes, I'm not putting coconut milk. Everybody who knows me knows I'm always using coconut milk. I'm not using coconut milk. Today's the day I almost chopped my fingers off, but yeah. Anyways, yeah. So it's looking really good, and I'm gonna let it simmer for 2 more minutes. I know all of you out there are like, oh, I want to see what it looks like on a plate, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna plate it, and then you shall see what it looks like. It's gonna look really, really good. Yeah, I don't have music today. I want you guys to fully hear me. You guys know all about my songs and stuff. It's really, really amazing. I create them based on my channels and stuff, but enough about me. How are you guys doing? If you're new to my channel, please like it up. Please check it out. See if it's for you. Food-Farrell, A&L, adventure and lifestyle. It's what it's about. Everything I see, everything I do, everything I eat, everything I taste. I'm not the greatest chef, but I do my thing. I can handle myself, you know what I'm saying? So welcome to my channel, guys. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome. And we're here to just enjoy food. Food is where it's at, guys. Food is where it's at. Well, for me anyways, food is where it's at. So yeah. I am gonna do well, how am I gonna plate it for you today? I have to think about it. I have to think about how I'm plating it for you. Usually what I would do is I would just put the rice in here on the plate and everything. So today I'm going to try something different. And hopefully it worked. I've done it once before and it worked. So I'm actually going to put some rice in here, and then I am going to just press a little bit. Put some more. Every time, guys, it never fails. Every time I'm on, someone's texting me and stuff. So I'm gonna put some more. Press. And yeah. So this way, it should give you guys like a fancy schmancy something. I don't know. Hopefully it works. Fingers crossed, guys. I'm not seeing your fingers crossed. Cross your fingers with mine. I'm waiting. I see you out there. I'm waiting. Cross your fingers. Do it on that. Cross it. Another thumbs up. This time, cross your fingers. At least one person cross your fingers. At least one person. Cross your fingers. Good luck. Guys, don't be so quiet. You guys shouldn't be shy on this channel by now. You guys should know. It's not the shy place to be. I ain't shy no more. Okay, so I have my toes crossed. Okay, so this is what I want to do. I told you to cross your fingers, you didn't, so now I have my toes crossed. What? Did you see that? Oh, I hope you didn't miss that. Please tell me you did not miss that. I wasn't paying attention. Doesn't that look perfectly formed? Look at it. I know you guys are going to try this at home. It's so amazing. So now I'm going to put the shrimp on the side like that. Give me a second, guys.